Hi friends, this is Bharat. Today we are going to talk about strategy design pattern. Strategy is a behavioral design pattern to encapsulate algorithm which can be swapped to execute a specific behavior. There could be multiple motivation to implement this pattern. For example, we have different implementations which can accomplish same thing and the client can choose a specific implementation depending on circumstances. In other words, one implementation can replace another. It is like going on a family vacation and you can choose between railways, airways, or even take a car. The choice you make is the strategy. It differs from state design pattern, as in state design pattern, behavior of the algorithm itself changes, while in strategy, the algorithm is replaced.
Now let's implement a sample code to understand it further. Let's jump right in.
I have created the eye compression strategy. We will implement a couple of compression methods and replace one another in the compression context. Let's begin creating the zip compression strategy, which will obviously implement the eye compression strategy. And let's implement the compress file method. Obviously, in real life scenario, this will be a complicated algorithm. But in our case, we are just writing a console message saying compression using zip. I will copy paste it and create the rar compression strategy, and the message will be rar. Pretty simple. Now let's create the compression context which allows the user to pick and choose between these two compression strategy. Right? And let's set the compression strategy, okay, and let's create the archive method, which will invoke the compress file method. All right, so far so good. Let's now see how the client code will look like. Obviously, we have to instantiate the context, and let's call the setter and pass in the zip compression instance to it and call the archive method. I can replicate this same for the RAR compression strategy as well. Okay, let's execute the code. And you will be able to see that initially the user used the zip compression strategy and later he changed it to RAR compression strategy.
If you are attending interview or a student, please check out source code from link given in video description below and implement the questionnaire along with test cases. Share your code in the comment section so everyone can benefit from it. I shall also try to answer any of your queries. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.